Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook Messenger ringtone. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your mobile device, launch the Messenger application. Once you open that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from this interface, from the upper left corner, tap on the three-line icon. A dialog box will pop up. Again, from the upper right corner, tap on the settings icon. You will land on this page. Here, scroll down a bit and under preferences, you will see notifications and sound. Tap on there. Here, if you have turned off your notification, turn on that first and then you will land on this interface. Now here under notification preferences, tap on ringtone. After that, you will land on this interface from where you will be able to select the ringtones of your choice. Scroll down and then try out all those ringtones and select the one that you like. Once you're done with that, your selected ringtone will be set as a ringtone on Messenger. So this is how you can simply change Facebook Messenger ringtone. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.